Wsg.bmx.be.inspired here. I'm just going to do a quick bike check on my dirt jump bike. It's a 24/7 slacker frame with 24-inch wheels. I'm just going to go through the parts, why I ride them, and yeah, and why I think they're good. So much love. Let's get to this. Right, first of all, I'll start off with no-proof lock-on grips. Perfect. They never slipped on me, not once at all ever. I've got Shimano. Yeah, I'm sure it's pronounced that way. Shimano brakes, which is the DB5s, which is hydraulic. And then quickly go round. I've got maxi high roller tyres, or holy roller tyres should I say. Zeppelin rims, halo hubs. Halos always make a really great sound, as you can hear. Love it. 180mm router on the back for my brake. Nuke-proof pedals with the big long pins. Yeah, I've got these cranks are, I think it's an Odyssey crank setup. That don't know what the chain ring is, to be honest, but it's a 25-tooth chain ring. I've got, I don't know how you pronounce this, but I think it's Wsg dirt jump bomber forks. The forks are amazing. I can literally say that for what I do, just dirt jumping, they are literally amazing. I mean, the maxi holy roller tyres, they're sweet, grippy. Couldn't ask for any more out of them. Yeah, I've got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, Renful bars. What's next? It's basically it, really, to be honest. But if there's any other question, I'll ride a front load stem. That's standard with the 24/7 slacker. Oh yeah, I forgot about my halfling chain, which is the Clark's. I love the colour of it, very strong, never lows me down, so I just thought I'd add that in because I forgot to say that in the little bit that I just done. So yeah, much love people, peace. I sprayed it myself, the spray job. If you ever want to see how to spray something, just hit me up in the comments and I'll do a tutorial on how to spray. So yeah, if there's anything else you need to know about my jump bike, or you want me to do a bike check on my BMX, then just let me know in the comments and then I'll do that as well. Because there's a lot more parts on my BMX and I can go into depth about that as well, because I've only been riding dirt jump bikes not too long really, and I've gone off what a lot of people have told me to use, so I just thought I'd show you what I ride and why I ride them. So yeah, much love people, peace. Stay easy. Yes, lad. Send it! Yes!